Looking for a tasty burger recipe that won't undo all your healthy eating efforts? Try this delicious and healthy cheeseburger recipe. You'll need lean ground beef, whole wheat bread crumbs, onion, bell pepper, an egg, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, reduced fat cheddar cheese, lettuce, tomato, red onion, and whole wheat hamburger buns. Mix the ground beef, bread crumbs, onion, bell pepper, egg, garlic powder, salt, and pepper together. Then form them into patties. Grill the patties for 4 to 5 minutes per side, and top each patty with a slice of reduced fat cheddar cheese during the last minute of cooking. Toast the whole wheat buns, then assemble the burgers with lettuce, tomato, red onion, and a cooked patty with cheese. Enjoy your delicious and healthy cheeseburgers, guilt-free. Thank you for watching. Please like, share,